Alright, so I didn't mean to jump right to this part where we say start that new shape from the note, because that's kind of, it's not an advanced topic. It's an easy to teach, easy to do topic if that's the only thing we're doing. But that's not that's not what we're doing here. So if you throw that in, but that, believe it or not, makes a lot of sense. So we go, it says go one string up will give you one letter counterclockwise on the magic circle. Remember, this star shaped thing is caged. C to A to G to E to D. So every other letter on the magic circle spells caged because they're interwoven. It's interesting. So you have the you want to start the next letter up is going to be a G shape. Okay, keep in mind we started on the C shape here. Alright, I'm going to move this up because we're dealing with pentatonics. These are the diatonic scales. So we started with this one on the C shape. It says to go to one string up, we're going to go one letter counterclockwise on the magic circle, which brings us over to the G shape. I'll show you. So just a little extra here that I got this part of the chart up. So the C shape goes to the G shape because counterclockwise on the magic circle. You see these two boxes are adjacent. So we're going to go one box up, and you can see where that gets us to the 6 here. So this 6 and this 6 are the same note. Okay, so we're back here. So we're going to skip 2 cages for one clockwise turn of the magic circle. And that gives us the 6 here, and it says play that. So if we wanted to start our inversion of the original down here, R2, 3, 5, 6, if we wanted to start an inversion on that, it'll be the second inversion, but it's not the second inversion. Well, it kind of is, because here's root, here's first inversion, here's second inversion. We want to start on that 6. It's going to be 2 cages over, or one turn of the magic circle, starting on that 6 right here, moving that 6 down here. It's only a pentatonic scale, and we play a G shape. Now we can do it 2 ways. We can just go 1 cage over. So here's the box, here's the C box. The G box starts on this 7 here, and remember, no shared notes, so it's the next fret up. Here's your lone wolf 7. Where's that lone wolf 7? It's not shown in the pentatonic, but it's here. It's B in the key of C, and we're going to start on 6. So we just play this. We're going to play a G shape. You know a G shape, when we play a G shape chord from up here. So playing a G shape up here gives us this inversion of the original. So it's starting from that A, right? Alright, or so we can play it in the next we'll call it brick or whatever you want to call it, the next adjacent cage, not interwoven, not caged letter up. We'll find a name for this. The next turn of the magic circle, okay? Or we can start from the 6 on this original one if we don't want to go and find that. We don't want to move up there for some reason. So we start it from here. We start that G shape from here, pretending like this is the bottom string. Start that G shape. So you know G has a long, and then it goes into shorts like that. But now we have to warp up early back into that C shape. Okay, so that's the inversion. So let's look at another case. We're going to go to the R. The R is going to be the root again. So we went all the way around, you know, that way. Although I think we skipped one of them. Okay, we're going to look at the R now. All right. So all we've really had is 3, 5, 6, root 2, 3. So this started on one of the inversions in the first place. We're at the R, but we're not done because we started on the 3, so we have to get all the way back up to the 3. So let's look what the R has for us. This is the outer note of the second string. Follow both string rule 1 and 2. So in other words, we're going to go clockwise on the magic circle 1 letter, and then we're going to go a caged, shared caged up from there. Okay, Princess is getting a little scratchy, but she's okay. She gets excited. I tap my foot a lot, you know, because I got a lot of energy. I'm drinking my coffee. Okay, so here we are. We're at the root, which is the outer member of the second string up. And the rule says we're going to go counterclockwise 1 letter on the magic circle plus 1 cage from there. So counterclockwise 1 letter on the magic circle, C goes to G, okay, plus a cage from there will put us in the E box. There's the root. So that's how we play full, you know, we're back to root. We're simply back to root, but we're up here. Okay, we're back at root up here. Or it's probably right here. Alright, but we don't have to play it way up there. We can play it from the C box. Just doing from here, we know the shape now. Now we know the shape. It was 1 counterclockwise on the magic circle. So remember, the magic circle is fourths. It's all fourths except between C and E. Because the magic circle, we look at what's called the magic fret. The magic fret is A, which is the A fret, which is this guy here. That is the A fret. You know, if I put my capo on, this is where, because my guitar is down tuned, this is where your hard fret nut is. This is the A note. It's fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the magic fret. The magic fret is A, D, G, C, E, A. So notice that is the magic circle. A goes to D, goes to G, goes to C, but then root in the key of C. But then root goes to the third because of the tuning warp. So that's how the magic circle works. That's the magic fret. Alright? Alright, so for the outer note on the second string, we're going to go 1 counterclockwise in the magic circle. Now the magic circle is in fourths, so A goes to D, okay, but counterclockwise counterclockwise.